Welcome back. I want to show you a little bit about the Symmons shower head. So if you're looking to change your shower head, they're really easy to do. It's not complicated. You don't have to hire a plumber. You can definitely do it yourself. This is, again, Symmons. This is a brushed nickel look to it. It's a 6-inch shower head. You can see easy to install, really simple. Just use a light pressure when you install it. It does come with some special tape that you wrap around the actual threads itself. And here is the back of it here. So the back of it's really super easy. You can see here, we hand tighten this. It does come with, like I said, a little tape in here, so you can tape up the threads on the actual shower head itself, that comes out of the wall. And then you just screw this on. And honestly, I would just hand tighten it. I wouldn't go crazy over tightening something like this here. If you hand tighten it, and if you use the actual tape itself, so it looks like Teflon tape. That's what they call it, Teflon tape. And what it does, it helps seal inside with the threads. And that's what that's designed to do. So it really makes a watertight seal. So this is what it looks like. Here's the front of it here. And I highly recommend these. There's a nice quality. I love the look. If you're looking to change the look of your shower, this is definitely the way to do it. You get that nice shower rain feeling on it, on you as well. Water saving feature as well built into this, and guaranteed for life. And that's a really great guarantee. So appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review and tour of this nice Symmons shower head.